So today we're going to be learning about the circulatory system and the respiratory system. We're going to focus on the major organs and how they both work together to help us breathe, okay? Oh, seriously? All right, the circulatory system. It circulates blood throughout the body via the heart, arteries, and veins, and then delivers oxygen and nutrients to organs and cells. Does anybody know organ in the circulatory system? Miss Judy?
Heart.
A heart. Very good.
I also say that.
All right, the arteries and veins. Arteries take oxygenated blood away from the heart to all parts of the body. Veins are similar to arteries, but they take deoxygenated blood toward the heart and are more closer to the skin. So they're very superficial.
Veins are blue and arteries are red.
Yes, thank you, Lauren. But next time, please raise your hand if you have a comment or question. The heart. It's a muscle. It's the biggest muscle in the body, and it pumps blood throughout the body. It's located between the lungs, and it's divided into 4 chambers. The upper atria are the receiving chambers, and lower ventricles are the discharging chambers. So the atria receive, the ventricles discharge. Why did it do that? The respiratory system. Does anybody know anything about the respiratory system? Lauren?
The lungs are part of the respiratory system.
What do the lungs do?
Help you breathe.
All right. The main job is to take in oxygen and expels carbon dioxide, which is breathing. The lungs. The lungs is the only major organ that we'll be talking about, and it's the process of gas exchange called respiration. And never mind. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we are gonna play a game on Brain Pop. And Lauren, you're gonna start us off, okay? So go ahead and hit the start button, please. All right, now find the lungs. And I think you have to drag it. Okay, now pass it to Doris. And we didn't talk about all the other organs, but just go ahead and click one. Miss Lauren, but wait, hang on, Doris. Before you do that, Miss Lauren, can you tell us what the lungs do?
They take they take oxygen into the lungs and carbon dioxide out of the lungs.
Not just the lungs, right?
Well, yeah, in the body.
The whole body. Okay, go ahead, Doris.
The blood. I can't see.
Just click one. Oh. So try another one. Okay, Miss Judy. Miss Lauren again. Scroll down. There's a little, no, right here. Now, hang on, the rib cage. Does anybody know a fun fact about the rib cage? Doris?
It protects your lungs.
It protects the lungs, that's right. Judy?
Diaphragm, right? Is that the diaphragm?
That is the diaphragm.
What does that say?
Pleura. I don't know, let's read about it. The pleural membranes or pleura form a double-layered membrane between the lungs and the rib cage. The space between the two membranes is called the pleural cavity and contains pleural fluid, which helps the lungs to slide easily against the chest during respiration. Okay.
All right.
Now we're going to play a quick game with the circulatory system. All right, so Doris, you're going to start first, okay? All right, now, Doris, the first thing I want you to click on are the arteries.
You can't see. Is it here?
And what do the arteries do? Miss Lauren.
They take the oxygenated blood out
To
to the rest of the body.
good job.
Through the
Thank you for paying attention, Lauren. I will give you a Viking voucher.
Okay, which one do
Judy.
you want me to collect?
Veins. Good job, Judy. What do the veins do?
They take the blood to the heart.
And is it oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Deoxygenated.
Very good. Now the rest, lymph nodes and lymph vessels, we didn't really talk about it a lot. You have to build the heart.
Oh no.
Oh.
Sorry, Judy. No worries. I have to build the heart.
Alright, so that's the left atrium. Now what are the atriums? Or the atria? I'll help you.
They're the bottom part.
The bottom part.
Where they take the blood in.
Yes, they're the receiving chambers. Very good.
I don't know what those are.
Just figure it out.
Super neat.
Oh look, and you have to scroll down.
Oh.
Nope.
Right there. There's the right atrium, the pulmonary trunk, the right ventricle. What's the ventricle? So the atrias are the ones that receive.
They give it out.
Yes. Give it out or discharge. Oh, good job, Miss Oh, that ventricle. Very good. And now you have to drag it. Great.
Did I drag it right?
I think there's one more.
Oh, the lymph vessels.
Oh, I didn't even know there was one more. I picked that.
Very good. You guys made a circulatory system. So circulatory system contains
The heart.
the heart,
Arteries.
arteries,
Veins.
veins. Great job. And the respiratory system.
Lungs.
Raise your hand next time, please, Miss Doris. Okay. So today we learned about the respiratory system and the circulatory system. Tomorrow and the next one we're going to do the nervous system and the nervous system and the
Tegumentary.
Just be quiet. And let's go with the skin system, okay? So thank you guys. You guys did such a great job today. I really appreciate you.